Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Rater, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today I've got a box from Australia. This is from a company called, well, let's just open it up and you'll see. And this is from Suimin. I've reviewed a bunch of their stuff in the past. A reader sent me a whole slew of their products a while back. This is a new line that they have, and I talked to them on Instagram. I want to thank them very much for sending this along. I know shipping from Australia is pretty ridiculous to the States, but this came through in pretty good time and in really nice condition. So, all right. Hey, a note. Let's see what it says. Dear Hans, we have provided you with some samples of the new Suimin Origins Noodle Bowl. We hope you enjoy our Suimin Origins. Please do let us know which flavor is your favorite. Cheers, the Suimin team. Cool, well hey, thank you very much. But let's see, what do we have here? So first off, we've got this beef masaman, which is a curry. That sounds really good. This is huge. I thought these were smaller bowls, honestly. There's a flavor that I really enjoy, laksa. This is a seafood laksa. And finally, a Thai green curry. Yeah, these are all flavors that are in my wheelhouse that I absolutely adore, so yeah, looking forward to them. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Suimin for sending these along. I will be reviewing these in short order, you can believe it. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.